Greetings web marketers, bloggers, and AI enthusiasts. Welcome to another video from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you a free AI content detection tool at my site 4people.com or 4ppo.com. I'll leave the link down below, and here you can paste in your article or whatever text content you want. So let me paste in right here. This is an article I got from ChatGPT, and here's the article. So it is pasted here. All you have to do is click submit and then wait a few seconds to see the results. Alright, here's the results. There are 415 words. Probability of this content being human generated is about 28%, and AI generated content is 72%. And here are the highlighted parts where the AI detection tool spotted these patterns that are well known for ChatGPT and others. So this is a quick and easy free tool, and you get unlimited usage. There's nothing to sign up or pay. So go check it out. The links are down below, and I'll also be adding in more AI tools in the future, like AI image detection tool and also other tools for potentially bypassing these AI content detection tools. So look out for those. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to How to Webmaster for more free content and free tools. And thank you again for viewing.